Your small space is not the problem. The way you are styling it is. There is one mistake that kills the luxury feel in almost every small space, and most homeowners never even realize they are making it. Stay with us, because once you see it, everything changes. If you live in a small apartment, a compact flat, or any room that never quite feels the way you want it to, this video is for you. We are covering the complete luxury realism framework for small spaces in 2026. Real fixes. Real results? Let us get into it. So what is the number one mistake people make in small spaces? It is actually not what most people expect. It is not clutter. It is not dark colors. It is not even the wrong furniture size. The real mistake is this. Most people style their small space, trying to make it look bigger. And that single mindset is quietly killing the luxury feel of every room they touch. Here is why. When your entire design goal is to fake more space, every decision you make is rooted in disguise. You choose furniture that disappears. You pick colors that recede. You avoid bold choices because you are afraid they will close the room in. And the result is a room that feels neither big nor luxurious. It feels empty, uncertain. And unfinished luxury realism is a completely different approach. It stops trying to trick the eye and starts designing with intention. It says, this space is exactly the size it is, and it is going to feel incredible anyway. The most beautiful small spaces in the world are not beautiful because they look bigger than they are. They are beautiful because each element inside them feels deliberate, considered, and real. That shift in thinking is where luxury realism begins. And everything we cover from this point forward is built on that one foundation. Now that you understand the core mistake, let us build the foundation. And there are 3 of them. Get these right, and every upgrade we cover after this will fall into place naturally. Foundation 1, scale and proportion. This is where most small space styling falls apart before it even begins. People buy furniture that is too small because they think it will make the room feel larger. But small furniture in a small room does not create the illusion of space. It creates the feeling of a waiting room. A single well-proportioned sofa that fits the room correctly will always look more luxurious than 3 undersized pieces scattered around it. Scale is confidence. And confidence is what luxury looks like. Foundation 2, material layering. Luxury is neither a color nor a price point. It is a feeling created entirely by texture. Smooth ceramic next to rough linen, matte plaster walls beside a polished stone surface, warm timber against cool metal. These combinations create visual depth that makes a room carry a genuinely rich quality without spending a fortune. This is the heart of modern apartment decor done right. Layering affordable materials in a way that feels considered and premium. Foundation 3, color discipline. Here is something almost nobody talks about in small space interior design. The spaces that feel most luxurious are not the ones with the most interesting color. They are the ones with the most controlled color. Choose one dominant neutral, one supporting tone, one single accent. That structure creates a visual calm that the brain reads as premium every single time. And here is what makes this really interesting. The next section is where these foundations become visible, because the 5 upgrades we are about to cover only work when these 3 are already in place. This is where your small space starts to look and feel genuinely luxurious. These 5 upgrades work on top of the 3 foundations we just covered. And when they all come together, the difference is immediate. Upgrade 1, statement lighting. Nothing signals luxury in a small space faster than intentional lighting. A single sculptural pendant light above a dining table or reading corner immediately tells the eye that this interior was designed, not just furnished. Swap any standard ceiling bulb for a considered light fixture, and your room changes character overnight. This is one of the highest impact budget home upgrades you can make in any compact home. Upgrade 2, intentional negative space. This one surprises most people. Luxury interiors are not full interiors. They are edited ones. Every surface does not need an object. Every corner does not need a plant. Empty space in a well-designed room is not wasted. It is breathing room. And breathing room is what makes a home carry that expensive, unhurried quality. Resist the urge to fill. The edit is the design. Upgrade 3, one hero. Peace. Every luxury small space has one element that leads the room. A beautifully textured accent chair, an oversized piece of framed wall art, a sculptural coffee table with genuine presence. Choose one hero piece and let everything else support it. This is the anchor that transforms a collection of furniture into a complete, intentional interior design. Upgrade 4, layered soft furnishings. Here is your mid-video styling tip. When layering cushions and throws in a small space, always work with a maximum of 3 textures at once. Linen boucle and velvet together create a richness that reads as effortlessly luxurious. More than 3 textures starts to look busy. 3 looks curated. That single rule will elevate every sofa, bed, and reading nook in your home immediately. Upgrade 5, reflective surfaces. Mirrors and glass are among the most powerful tools in small space luxury styling. But the mistake most people make is using mirrors purely to create the illusion of space. In luxury realism, mirrors are used for light. Position a mirror to reflect your best light. Source, natural or artificial, and your room gains a warmth and depth that no paint color can replicate. A well-placed mirror in a compact living room does more for the overall luxury feel than almost any other single change. You now have everything you need. 3 foundations and 5 upgrades. And the reason this system works so well together is because each layer builds on the one before it. Remove any single piece and the whole thing loses its power. Keep them all and your small space becomes something genuinely different. Let us walk through what that looks like in a real room. You start with scale and proportion, choosing furniture that fits the space with confidence rather than furniture that apologizes for being there. You layer your materials, smooth against rough, warm against cool, so the room develops a visual richness that feels earned. You apply color discipline. 1 dominant neutral, 1 supporting tone, 1 accent, so the eye reads calm and premium before it even registers the details. Then the upgrades begin. A statement light fixture that immediately signals intention. Intentional negative space that gives the design room to breathe. 1 hero piece that anchors the entire interior and makes everything around it feel considered. Layered soft furnishings in 3 textures that add depth without clutter. And a well-placed mirror that fills the room with warm reflected light rather than a cheap illusion of size. That is luxury realism. Not expensive, not complicated, just intentional. And the truth is that this approach works in a studio, apartment in London just as well as it works in a compact bedroom in New York. It works in rented flats and owned homes. It works on tight budgets and generous ones. Because it is not about money. It was never about money. It is about understanding what minimalist interior design truly means. Making deliberate choices that create a feeling of luxury regardless of size or budget. Your small space was never the limitation. The approach was, and now you have a better one. 3 foundations, 5 upgrades, 1 completely different small space. Now we want to hear from you. Which of these luxury realism upgrades are you trying first? Drop it in the comments below. And if this was helpful, Home Decor has plenty more modern home styling ideas waiting for you.